This is a HP notch milling machine for preparing IZOD and sharp impact testing notches for the samples. And you see, this is the sample we cut from the plastic sheet. You need to fix it in the fixture. Okay, just fixed, and turn on the machine. Turn the knob of the indicator for the sample to touch the cutter. Milling device, when the sample touch the cutter, you need to zero the indicator and then go forward to make the notch depth as your required value. You see, the cutter is just making notches on the sample, and the depth is just being indicated here. Yeah, this is the brief demonstration how to prepare notches for the IZOD impact samples.